Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: mobile data enabled, signal strong, and sufficient battery or charger. Once done, open your phone's network settings and turn on the hotspot or USB tethering option. USB requires a data cable. Wi-Fi hotspot broadcasts an SSID and password. Make sure your computer's Wi-Fi or USB driver is active, and disable VPNs or secondary adapters that could interfere. These first steps get both devices ready and reduce connection errors before you attempt pairing or plugging in. Now you execute the connection. For Wi-Fi hotspot, find the phone SSID on your computer, enter the password, and prefer 4 GHz for better range. Once connected, set the network to private so sharing works. For USB tethering, plug the cable, accept any permission prompts on the phone, and wait for driver installation on the computer. Make sure USB mode is set to tethering, not charging. After linking, verify you have an IP address and check DNS resolution so traffic flows smoothly. Finish by confirming internet access. Load a web page or ping a known server. If pages fail, first toggle tethering off and on, then move the phone to improve signal or switch hotspot band between 2, 4, and 5 GHz for speed changes. Make sure data saver or battery restrictions are disabled for the hotspot app. If problems persist, reboot both devices and reauthorize tethering permissions. This single troubleshooting step clears most driver or permission conflicts and restores connectivity quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.